Strong bullish momentum across Dow Jones. You can see it started the rally for the week from here, achieved the highs and the lows for the channel, and in fact towards the end of the week completed the throughout stress, that is the highs and lows of the channel in the single day, from 3100 to almost 100,000 points rally. Yes, the next destination, if you see it trading above 31,200, certainly you can stay long for the next week. Complete next week you can stay bullish, and probably you can expect that it is going to rise further till towards 31,500, 31,800, and 32,200, 400 levels also. Now what can be expected, we will see with further details with the help of charts and indicators, and we'll give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do note down the levels. And also do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. As yes, also equally important is to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the twice a day update on Dow Jones, which where I share my critical levels where you can buy and sell, first with the Asia session, next with the US cash session. So do watch it also. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. And you can find out, see, US30 trading bullish in this channel, which is a strongly bullish channel, and you can find out if it breaks past 31,200 next week, certainly it will carry over with the next momentum, where we can expect 31,500, which is a stronger resistance, strongest resistance, trading above which nobody can deny 32,000. I will say 31,820, 32,000 levels, which is a stronger resistance, and then 32,400 levels should be seen. Be careful, it is trying to reverse, it is trying to reverse strongly. Yes, you can see. Now, another observation on the daily charts is, see the reversal and retracement from there, and if you look at the highs and lows, it is precisely well positioned here. The drawing is not so good, but yes, what I am trying to say, it is in fact try to breach this, possibly trading above 31,500. You can certainly expect that it is trying to trade bullish, and 32,400 levels cannot be denied beyond those levels. Hence, you have to be cautious there. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, look, a phenomenal breakout there. See, a rally, retracement, and then a breakout again. And see, this is a stronger bullish momentum which we are looking forward to. Yes, the highs of this possibly at around 31,500, 31,700 zone, which is definitely a good resistance zone. Beyond that, we can see it achieving 32,000 and plus levels on the 4-hour chart, it appears. So this is a breakout, and these are just two green candles, possibility of a couple more green candles taking it till towards 31,500, 31,700 exists. You have to be very cautious with that. And this is just on the 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts also, look at the previous two candles, the lows and highs. I told you it is a consolidation, and this time it has given a breakout, a stronger breakout, a flat headed, flat bottomed candle there, achieving the highs from the previous week. Yes, if you see it trading above 31,200, certainly you can remain long on Dow Jones. You can expect another bullish move taking it towards 32,000, 32,400 levels, which is a highly achievable zone for US30 next week. See, one bullish candle, probably a second bullish candle may follow, and 32,000, 32,400 levels cannot be denied. So what it is trying to attempt and achieve is this, the highs of this channel. And yes, remember, the next month is going to be equally important. Why? Because the next month is Fed's interest rate hike decision, and next month will also give you the CPI inflation for October, where the figures for which will definitely decide the momentum for next few weeks. And hence you have to be very cautious. The Fed's interest rate hike decision will definitely have an impact on markets. Before that, it is trying to consolidate a bit. Before that, it is trying to achieve the highs of this channel. It is trying to trade in this channel on the weekly charts. First resistance at 32,000, 32,500, and then 33,200 levels should be a very strong resistance zone. This levels at 33,200 and 33,400 are going to be the next milestone which it is trying to achieve in next couple of weeks. We may see it hitting those levels, and from there again a downward journey can be seen. Any move beyond 34,000 in the next few weeks or few months, that will be the confirmation of a reversal on US30, and then you can expect that the market should reverse and it may try to act bullish from there. So this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look on the monthly candle now. And on the monthly charts, see, a very strong reversal has been seen. This candle failed to, yes, it has achieved the lows out there. It is trying to attempt and achieve the highs, which is situated at around 32,000 levels, 31,800, 32,200, and in fact 32,400 and 600 zone should be a very good resistance. Let's see if it tries to break past this. because certainly breaking beyond this, you can expect that it is trying to attempt and achieve the highs of this channel, which is situated at around 33,500 levels possibly. Yes, if it continues to trade above this, certainly a little more bullish momentum can be seen. Yes, it is trying to reverse a bit, see precisely, but remember one fact here. It has breached the support at 30,000 and traded bearish. It has come back to this zone, but this zone here at 26 to 28k, it has to enter once before it tries to complete the reversal. And in fact, there is lot much downside, but the time period is still lot much there. Hence, it is trying to achieve the highs before it tries to complete the bearish momentum, and hence you have to be very careful till the time on the upside it trades below 33,500. Certainly I will not confirm this is bullish, and possibly it is just a retracement on the monthly charts which it is trying to attempt and achieve. But this is on the monthly charts. Let's have a look with the help of the indicators. What do the indicators are suggesting? On the indicators past, trading above the 50 months average, now looking forward to achieve the 20 months moving situated at around 33,500, 34,000 levels. The support there on the downside at 28,000 was very strong from the 50 months average. And yes, see, it traded outside the Bollinger Band for last 2 months. It traded outside the bottom of the Bollinger Band for last 2 months, and hence this candle will definitely expand it a bit, possibly making it the room for a little drop for next month also. And hence I will wait for it to expand next month. So wait for the Bollinger Bands to expand next month, and probably it may continue with the bearish momentum with the Fed and with the interest rate hike and with the inflation data. Yes, the directional movement is still divergent and bearish. Stochastic is still looking downwards, probably a little rise and then a drop can be expected. The MACD is divergent and bearish, but remember it has achieved the highs out there. It may try to converge a bit before it tries to diverge again, and hence we can see a little greener candles there. Now look at the RSI. This has started to reverse. It is looking upwards. I'll wait for it to reverse completely before it tries to give you a bullish indication. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, see the 20 weeks average 31,400, 31,500, strongest resistance, only above which you can confirm that US30 may act bullish. And see, there is a crossover between the 50 and 100 weeks average, and 50 weeks average looking downward. This is a bearish confirmation. This is indicating it may continue with the bearish momentum for a little while. Also, the divergence between the 120 periods average is strong, and hence this is also indicative of bearishness. The directional movement trying to converge, and it is trying to cross over for a bullish move. I'll wait for it to cross over. The stochastic is the MACD is trying to converge again. It is trading at the bottom. It has seen the bottom out there, trying to converge a bit. Let it cross over on the upside. Let it rise a bit before it tries to reverse again, and hence we can see this little rise. The RSI is looking upwards too from the bottom. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, the 150 period crossover is here. It is also divergent. It is still indicating bearishness. The support there on the downside at this zone 29,800. This is the 20 period moving average, which is a definite good support, and then this zone at 30,000. These two are very strong supports, and then 35,000 the next support level. So yes, you have to be careful there. It is giving a breakout. Probably it may try to achieve on the upside 31,400, 31,500, definitely a good resistance. Beyond that, it will fly further on the upside. Directional movement bullish, trying to converge here. Stochastic on the highs there. The MACD divergent and bullish here, and trying to enter into the bullish zone. The RSI is looking upwards too, indicating little bullishness. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and levels for the next. And yes, before I give you the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of identifying the entries, the exits, and the profitable trades, picking the profitable trades, taking the right entries, you can join my mentorship batch. 16th mentorship batch is going to start on 7th of November. Definitely the strategy is taught, which is curated throughout the years for you to benefit from this our learnings, and definitely the methodologies taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Now we do it what we say, and you can see the results what we have achieved from our signals channel. And see, the 3 weeks performance report is pasted there in the communities tab, and definitely the results are phenomenal. So we have gathered thousands of points throughout in 3 weeks itself, and The performance is not limited only alone to Dow Jones. It is also Nasdaq. It is also FTSE 100. It is also Germany. It is also gold, silver, oil, NG as well. So see, across indices, if you can apply these strategies, yes, you can join my mentorship batch where you can definitely learn those. Else, you can be part of my Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details on the same. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Only reach out to the official handles mentioned in the video description and channel description. Also reach out, become a pattern and support the effort. So now let's have a look. Yes, where you can buy there next week at 31,200, above which certainly I will look forward to 31,350, 31,400. This is the toughest resistance zone for Dow Jones. If it trades above this zone, 31,400, 500. Yes, if it trades above this, I will be looking forward the next destination. Yes, the near resistance is 31,650, but the largest resistance is 31,840, beyond which I will look forward to 32,000 levels. And yes, 32,000 appears achievable if it continues to trade above 31,500 levels, probably 31,840 and 32,000 levels. This is the next stronger resistance zone. It may try to attempt and achieve this, and beyond that 32,200 and 32,200 and 32,400. If it trades above 400, sky is the limit. 33,000 levels cannot be denied. Be careful there. And yes, you can take your positions accordingly on the upside. Now on the downside, what is the likelihood of a drop? You can sell there at 31,000. Beyond that, 30,800. These two are definitely very, very strong support zone. This is a very, very strong support zone. Below this, 30,650, 30,500. These are the two support levels. Only below 30,500 it will call for the bears, and then only if it trades below 30,500 you can expect 3,200, 30,000, and then 29,800. This is again the next strongest support. See, these levels are applicable for next couple of weeks also, and whenever you see above and below, you can find out these levels should come out handy for you to trade, and you can keep this safe with you. The trade accordingly. Below that, it is going to continue with the crash out there. Possibility of it, likelihood of it to crash is less, possibility of it to rise more is more, and hence you have to trade as per the stop loss. Trade as per the trailing stop loss. Whenever you see a reversal, your trade can close in profit, and trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not trade as per the bias. You see, I am looking forward to bullishness, but it does not mean that you should see the bullishness on the charts. You have to trade as per the levels. See, neither I nor you runs the market, and hence anybody and anyone can go wrong, and yes, you have to trade as per the levels only. I am sure if you trade as per the levels, you will never lose. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals group, join my Patreon page. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training query. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.